In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook profile picture on PC. By the end, you'll have a fresh profile photo showing up in your Outlook on the web, making your emails feel more personal and professional. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your PC and heading to the Outlook website. Once your mailbox loads, look to the very top right corner of the page. You'll see a small circle that either shows your current photo or your initials. That circle is your account menu, and it's the quickest way to get to your profile settings. Click that circle to open a small panel. In this panel, look for the camera icon. Depending on your view, you might also see an option labeled Edit Profile. Both routes take you to the same place where you can update your picture, so choose whichever you see. When the profile area opens, select Change Photo. This brings up the photo uploader and editor. Here you can pick the image you want to use from your computer. Choose a clear, well-lit picture where your face is centered. Outlook typically displays profile photos as a circle, so a square image works best and helps avoid cropping out important parts of your face or shoulders. After you select your image, you'll get a chance to adjust it. Use the built-in tools to crop, zoom, or reposition the photo so it frames you nicely. Keep your eyes near the horizontal center and leave a little space above your head so the circular crop looks balanced. If you're choosing a brand or logo instead of a headshot, make sure it's high contrast and fits comfortably inside a circle so edges don't get cut off. When everything looks right, click Apply to save the change. That's the key action that confirms your new profile picture. You should see your updated image appear in the top right account circle shortly. In most cases, it updates quickly, but it can take a little time to sync across different Microsoft experiences. If you don't see it right away in all places, give it a few minutes and refresh your Outlook tab. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Stick with common image formats like JPG or PNG and aim for a clear, non-blurry file that isn't overly large. If you use a work or school account, your organization settings might limit profile changes, so your update options could vary. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Outlook profile picture on PC, giving your account a clean, updated look